Alright, fine, truce.
Alright guys, since that's all out of the way, now do you want to play some Smash?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Wait, guys. My cell phone.
What?
Guys, look. It's from Gingy.
Gingy. To comment.
No, shh.
Comment.
It says, no, it says, turn on your TV.
On TV.
There's something really important I must tell you.
Really important.
Hello, twin toys. You know, I just want to thank you so very much for making me go on that epic adventure. And make sure you go and you thank Trinity Beyond and ZZ Kids for me as well. See, I understood when I left that place that you guys weren't actually that bad after all. And kids' channels actually belong, in the fun place that YouTube is. But when I got home, after that fun house, if you want to call it that, I met a very interesting friend that I haven't seen in, well, a very long time. And let's just say, you actually know him as well. Now, after talking with him for a while, I realized that I'm not actually done playing with you guys just yet. So I need you guys to do me a favor. I need you to go pick me up something in New York City from a channel you know as the Superhero Kids. I sent them something and I thought it would be better if you received it straight from them instead of me. But don't worry, it's nothing crazy. Or is it? So if you're wondering, why should I even go to New York City and retrieve this little item for me? Well, let's just say that the longer that they have it, the easier it will be for my friend to know where they live. So you better hurry. The clock is ticking.
Oh my gosh! So, wait a minute. Did you hear he said?
Yeah. Package in New York City.
It could just be like a letter, hopefully. It was not a big package.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's gonna be. But
So-
what's this friend he's talking about?
I don't know. He said friend.
What friend?
Friend. I don't know. Friend. What friend? Friend. What?
Yeah, I don't know. That's what I'm asking you. What friend do you think he's talking about? You think he's talking about? No, not GM. He is GM. What about the Grinch?
Grinch.
Do you know any other friends that he has? I don't know any other friends that he has. Does he have a lot of friends? Does he?
Yes. I think he has 4.
Okay, well, here's the deal. He said we need to go to New York City. So, we don't have anything planned this weekend. You guys want to go?
Yeah.
You guys want to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me go talk to Mommy and see if the schedule's cleared out, and we'll get ready to go. So why don't you guys go upstairs and pack your bags, and I'm gonna go talk to Mommy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go.
I can't believe we're gonna go to the city. Yay!
Hi, you in here? Hi.
What?
Oh, there you are. Hey, so check this out. Gingy told us that we have to go to New York City to pick something up from the Superhero Kids. So, you wanna go?
Wait a minute. Let me check my schedule first.
Oh, don't worry about it. I checked the schedule. Everything looks good. I mean, there's a couple things here and there, but no, it's nothing that big.
Well, I guess the boys can miss their piano lesson. And what else did we have? Basketball. Well, other than that, we're good.
Okay, cool. So, we're ready to go? We should go? Okay, we're gonna get packing because we gotta leave tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay?
let's go.
Thank goodness. That's done. Hey, hon. So, who do you think this new guy... Oh, that's right, you didn't hear the message. So, he contacted us through TV, and he said there's a new friend he hasn't seen in a while. Or an old friend he hasn't seen in a while he just recently saw. Do you know any friends that Gingy has? I don't know anything.
I don't know what friends he has.
Yeah, I know. Is that weird? Let me ask the kids. Guys, wait, guys. Suitcases, packing. We leave tomorrow. Come on, let's go, chop chop. Legos, you're killing me. Have you guys been sitting there thinking about more of that friend that Gingy has, that he met? Do you know who it could be?
No.
Maybe we should go back and check his channel out and see if there's anything like his past that there's an old friend that he's meeting up again. I don't know, this is really strange. But anyway, guys, finish, stop playing Legos, get the suitcases out, you gotta pack, okay? We leave tomorrow. Already got plane tickets, yeah, I'm not fast, but click, 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 smartphones, awesome technology. So hurry up, okay? So, when you're done, suitcases in the hall, all right? Okay, let's go.
New York City, here we come.
Guys, check it out, we're here.
Yeah.
Toy Fair 2019.
Yeah.
This is what, our third time? Oh my goodness. Well, come here. This is our third time, right?
Yeah.
This is gonna be awesome. What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to see in there? Maybe some like Nerf blasters?
Yeah.
And maybe Zuru?
Maybe we could see those,
Like the scooter that had smoke coming out of it? Wouldn't that be awesome?
No, not that one.
Oh, the water comes out of it. Oh my god. What, guys, superhero kids. We gotta go talk to them and see if they have the letter. Okay, come on.
Oh my gosh, this is the coolest thing ever. Hey, it's
No way.
You
didn't know. Great. How you guys doing? Good to see you. You're here for Toy Fair, obviously. Isn't this awesome? Is this your first year?
Yeah.
Awesome. This is our third year. So if you have any questions at all, let us know. We'll hook you up with an awesome stuff. It's gonna be absolutely awesome. So check it out. This is really, really weird. I don't want you guys to get freaked out or anything, but we were told to actually meet you here, and because you had a letter or something. We were told that you might have a letter. Oh my gosh, guys, look. Guys, this is crazy. They have the letter. Well, this has to be the letter that Gingerbread Man was talking about, isn't it? I mean, this can't be a coincidence. So we're gonna go ahead and take that letter. Wait.
How do we know we're supposed to do this? Yeah, what if this is dangerous? What if
Well, then why are you holding it? You don't want to hold it then. We will take the danger in our hands. I mean, we really need this letter because, trust me, it's actually more dangerous for you than it is for us.
have fun with
So
that?
have fun sleeping on that note.
Okay, well, enjoy the toy
So
fair.
enjoy the toy fair. Yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. Okay? Okay, bye. See you guys. Bye. Guys, we got it. Check it out. This is the letter. Okay, you ready to open it? Okay, we should open it. Okay, you ready? Look. Okay, you ready?
Look, carry the letter.
Yeah, well,
we
this is
don't
the
want
letter,
to
this is
rip
the
the
letter.
paper.
Okay, you ready?
We don't want to rip it.
Oh, guys, look what kind of paper it is. It's gingerbread man paper. Wait, hold on. Look what it says. Look what it says, Eli. Come here, quick.
It's for letting?
Yeah, letting. Thanks for letting me in. Gingy? Wait a minute. Wait. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Thanks for letting me in. Letting me into what?
Toy fair. He's in the toy fair now.
You think Gingy's in the toy fair?
Yeah. No.
Well, we didn't register him.
Thank you.
Wait a minute, guys. Remember that button that we pushed
Yeah.
over with Trinity and Beyond? We pushed that button. It was supposed to unlock. No. I'm sorry. It was supposed to lock all electronic doors, right?
Yeah.
Wait, I have a bad feeling about this. I have a really bad feeling about this. Hold on a second. Let me check the.
Where is it?
Let me check our app. Hold on, we gotta check our app to our front door. Wait, guys, look at this. The system is off, the alarm is off, and the front door is unlocked. Didn't we lock it? We're not home. Wait a minute, did that button unlock our front door?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
We got a situation. We got a really big situation. Oh my gosh, guys, he's at our house. He's waving at the camera right now. He's at our. Okay, we gotta go then. We gotta go. Okay, we just forget this. We gotta go home. Okay? This is our 3rd year. We saw this before. Everything's fine. We gotta go home. Okay? Okay, come on, let's go. Come on.